Hey friends, welcome back to Crafty Nurse Q. This year I spent over $1,000 on back to school shopping for my kids. And that's just the clothes, shoes, and supplies. It didn't even include the school fees, the field trips, and the activity costs. Now that kind of spending can wreck a budget if you don't plan for it. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I set up a sinking fund for back to school. Plus I'm starting mine right now with cash stuffing. All right, welcome back. So, what is a sinking fund? A sinking fund is simply a savings category for a future expense that you know is coming. So, instead of scrambling to cover a big cost all at once, you save a little over time so you're ready when the bill hits. Example, my $1,000 a year for back to school will equal about $85 a month, or it would equal divided by 52 about $20 a week. So back to school happens every year, but the prices seem to go up every year too. So kids need new clothes, shoes, backpacks, supplies, but there are surprise fees for everything. But by planning ahead, you can spread the cost over the year, avoid debt, and shop sales without stress. Now I've showed you an example. If you take whatever you need to save for the year and divide that by 12 months, because it's 12 months in a year, you will come up with about $85. If you're paid weekly, then you want to divide that by 52 paychecks and you will come up with almost $20. If you are paid bi-weekly, divide that by 26 and you come up with almost $40. Okay? So, what's the solution? Create an envelope. This is what I've decided to do. Create an envelope. And as you can see here, the goal of this one is $1,000. And I'll be doing it weekly. Or even if I do it bi-weekly, then I'll just do two. And that's how I will save my money by the time next year for the back to school. Okay, so these are my normal sinking funds categories. And today I'm planning to do a cash stuffing. So for today, I have decided that I'm going to start the back to school one. So, per my calculations of $1,000 goal, I have come up with the $20, and I will be doing weekly because that's how I have my category set up per week. So, I am doing all of my sinking funds today. The ones that I've selected to do today actually are birthdays, and I'll be putting 20, and my two kids will get 10 apiece. For the back to school, I'm going to go ahead and put 40 today. So I'll be doing two of the weeks. Car maintenance will get 20, tags 20. That's car tags. Clothing will get 10, and kids will get 25. I'm going to add that up here on my calculator. So 155 is what we'll be cash stuffing today. There we go. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 155 for our cash stuffing. Okay, and I'm going to place this back to school. It's going to be right here at the front because it started. I like to do mine in alphabetical order. Okay, so I'm going to place this here. And I do have a tutorial coming up on how I make the Matte Vellum cash envelopes. And today I said I'm going to do $40 for this back to school. Which means I can mark off two of these. I have $40. And the next one is going to be birthdays. Okay, and I am stuffing $20 into birthdays today. At the 20, so you got 20, 40, 60, 80, $90 now in birthdays. Okay. Okay, next one is going to get a $10. try to make sure I'm always putting something in the kids one. And okay, so I'm adding 10. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. And I've been using it too. I did make up some new ones for this. So I'm at 160 because I have 100. And then I just decided to start with this one with 60. And these you can just write the categories on there. Okay, go ahead. I actually ended up liking these. They're open at the top, and they are matte. I'll link this to my Amazon. I do have an affiliate link, but I'm going to link those. I actually like them. Now, and here we are. I'm going to add a 10 to this wallet. This envelope, we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 130, 140, 150, 165. Okay, we are at 165 with this. All right, and then I said the kids stuff. Let's get in 25 today. So 20 and a 5. And we are at 75 with this one. So I'm going to be, I should make it at 100. So let's count it. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, $100. And I am doing, what else? Car maintenance is getting a 20 today. Okay, so it should be 85 when we get done. 20, 40, 60, $85 in car maintenance. And car tags. Now the goal for this is 85. So I am adding 20. I feel like I was supposed to have done something else different, but that's okay. And so I'll be at my goal. And then I'm going to switch this out and get a fully funded placeholder for this since I'm at the goal. Okay, what happened there? Let's have something else. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 85 dollars in the car tags. And I did do a tutorial on how you can make these clear cash envelopes. I'll have that linked below as well. Okay, and I missed the clothing envelope. Where is it? Okay. Oh, it's here. Pull the thing out, so now I don't have it. Oh gosh. So in clothing we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 105. Okay, I found it. And I was at 100. Now we are at 105. Put clothing on here. Need to change these out. Okay. All right, so I'm going to finish this. And so this was my entire sinking funds saving cash stuffing for the week. Okay, so I'm glad I was able to set up this back to school challenge with you all today. So if you've been hit with some, let me know what your back to school expenses were for this year 2025. And I hope this helped you to see how sinking funds can make a huge difference. Just make sure you're stuffing them as you say you can. And I'm going to have a full blog post with a setup worksheet so you can start your own. And the link will be in the description. All right, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more budgeting tips. And tell me in the comments, what's one sinking fund that you always keep? You know mine is back to school. All right, until I see you all next time, stay faithful and keep budgeting.